welcome, GETCO2, ARC Center of Excellence, Green Electrochemical Transformation of Carbon Dioxide. I am Dr. Muxina Konarova, Senior Lecturer at School of Chemical Engineering at the University of Queensland. Today we came to the lab, one of the labs in Australia doing research on electrocatalysts, particularly to see the materials that Dr. Ray B is doing on converting carbon dioxide into useful chemicals and fuels. Dr. Ray B, could you please tell us what exactly you are doing? What are the research that are being analyzed here, and what are the materials you're developing to accelerate carbon dioxide use and commercialize your research?
Yeah, so basically we're using electrocatalysis inside this electrolyzer, trying to convert CO2 into valuable products. In this particular setup, we are converting CO2 into carbon monoxide, or CO. So we have the gas inlet on this side, and then we control the pressure by changing the knobs. And the electrolyzer will have the electrons supply from the protons and injecting energy to convert CO2. And we also have the liquid recirculation and also the analysis, which we will touch on later. In this electrolyzer, which is the center stage of this setup, we have a cathode, anode plates, which sandwiches the electrodes. So
this is your electrocatalyst,
Yep.
the electrode that has coating of your catalyst.
Yep.
Is that correct?
And obviously we have different colors. We have the support, which is made of carbon, and the other side we have a very thin layer of catalyst. In this particular case, which is silver. And we put this inside of the cell and then clamp it, and then send the liquid and the gas reactant, trying to produce the CO.
What are the ingredients or the, components of the electrochemical cell that you're also working on?
So we have the plates, which is called flow field plates, which is to distribute the product, the CO2 reactant, and inside the electrode is in contact with the membrane separator. The membrane is used for conducting the electrons, and is to conduct the ions while insulating the electrons. And on the opposite side, we have another electrode, which is to convert water into oxygen.
And so you have the gas bubbles, which is carbon dioxide, coming into the electrochemical cell. You also have water as one of the reactants. And then once you put them together and pass electricity, obviously your catalyst is going to convert carbon dioxide into a product. And how you know if your catalyst is effective or not effective, and how you monitor your products?
Yep, that's a good question. So we need some analytical assistance, which is done with the gas chromatography, because we send pure CO2 into the setup, coming out with a percentage of it replaced by CO. Then we need to analyze it, and we send to this gas chromatography and get the results in the computer. We have two separate peaks. The first one represents the CO2. The second peak represents our product, which is carbon monoxide.
That's very interesting. So you'll be monitoring your gas products over time, and that's how it shows you how effective your catalyst is.
Yep.
So Dr. B, can you explain us why this research is so important for Australia's future?
Yeah, for sure. So first of all, we're using electricity, which could be coupled with renewable power generation, for example, solar power panel. Additionally, we want to make CO2 as a renewable building block for many chemical industries. So for Australia, in particularly, many manufacturers of chemicals are using fossil fuel as the building block for carbon, and we're just trying to convert waste CO2 into something valuable.
Very interesting. Thank you very much.
Thanks.